Hydraulic engineering tutorial. To measure the pressure head of water in a pipeline by means of a U-tube. Brief theory. Piezometer tubes cannot be employed when pressures in the lighter liquids are to be measured, since this would require very long tubes, which cannot be handled conveniently. Furthermore, gas pressures cannot be measured by the piezometers because a gas forms no free atmospheric surface. These limitations can be overcome by the use of U-tube manometer. A U-tube consists of a glass tube, bent in U-shape, one end of which is connected to a point at which pressure is to be measured, and other end remains open to the atmosphere, as shown in Fig. 2. It contains a liquid, generally mercury, heavier than the liquid of which the pressure is to be measured. The pressure head of liquid H in a pipe is found from the relation H plus H plus H, S1 par H S2 or H par H H, S2 S1 H S1 general equation, where S1 non-chu SPGR of flowing liquid in the pipe and S2 san chi SPGR of heavier liquid in the U-tube. If water, S1 equals 1, is flowing through the pipe, then the above equation reduces to chi H equals H prime double prime, S2 minus 1, minus H prime. Procedure. 1. Connect the U-tube to the pipe carrying liquid, whose pressure is to be measured. 2. Note down the readings of H prime and H double prime. 3. Take number of readings by varying the discharge, say 4. So, now you understand how to measure the pressure head of water in a pipeline by means of a U-tube. Works. If you found this explanation helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It lets me know you appreciate this type of content, and it helps YouTube recommend it to others who are learning about hydraulic engineering tutorial. And if you're new to the channel and want to see more tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I'm planning to cover to measure the difference of pressure between the 2 points of a pipeline by using an inverted U-tube next week, and you won't want to miss it. Achain.